Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add image in shape in Photopea. So get it started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see now we can going to the new project option. Then click. Now select from any size. Now click from create option. Then we show the new interface. Now you can see then we show the now click from rectangle shape. Now click for mouse right button option, then click. Now click from any shape option. Now select now draw a shape. Now going to the movement option, then click. Now you can see then we going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and place option. Now select from NSS picture. Now select from picture. Now click for open option. Now you can see now we show the open picture. Now select click from the going to the click from confirm option. Now select from going to the layer menu option, then click from clipping in marks option. That it's. Now you can see add image in shape Photopea software in very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.